Tables, they have really big impact in our life, and planning out something is very important. With the help of rows and columns, you have no idea what change you can bring in your life, and that is what has helped me in securing what I'm working on right now. So when I was applying for a master's abroad, I had three different sheets: one for US, one for UK, and one for Australia. Each sheet had its own universities. When I applied, what was the initial scholarship they has offered me? Did I revert back with the follow-up and checking in if there is any other possibility of a scholarship or not? And if I am getting a scholarship, what are the possibilities to what percentage I can get that scholarship? So this was entirely, and something which is very important for me is to convert quickly the currency aspect. So I used to convert the euros or Australian dollar into Indian INR and just seeing, okay, what is the cost which will be coming if I go for this degree in this course, in this location and this university. That really helped me in understanding the financial aspect. Well, I was considering the show money part for different countries. Australia's was more possible because I could show the financials of my parents and whosoever was supporting me at that point of time. That is something which is also very critical to understand when you are applying for abroad universities, that who would be the sponsor, do you have enough funds to show or not. In my case, I had difficulty where I had to go with two sponsors for my show money for a year living expenses in Australia for the visa. So you need to understand that aspect very importantly, and that exit can even have a possibility of having that section. Now when I talk about the table, what I meant with that is you have to structure your research. You have to make sure that every application you're doing is being tracked. You know where you have applied. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. What matters is where the course you are going to be pursuing. Do you really like it? You have to look into the course structure. You have to look into the future aspects of that degree. Does it have enough accreditations or not? Like the degree I am pursuing, it has 4 accreditations, 2 international and 2 national. If your degree is having that combination or not, or do you have any edge in the location where you are shifting to? Would you be able to find a job after you graduate or not? That is also a very big consideration point. So having that calculated risk is very important when you're planning to move abroad, because it's a very big decision in your life. You're shifting your location, your life, and everything depends on what steps you're taking. What steps did I take for going towards this course and now coming and studying for free in Australia? That is something which I'm going to be discussing in upcoming video, which is going to be very exciting, and I know most of you have been waiting for that. So stay tuned, and this video is going to be very interesting as well.